Hey, welcome back everyone to Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're going over the 2003 Ford Expedition fuse box location and diagram. Because I know it can actually be very troublesome when something drops out and you don't know why it's a fuse. So let's check it out.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome back everyone. As I said, we're going through the 2003 Ford Expedition fuse box location and diagram today. That way you guys can find it and solve the problem that you're having. I know last week I was having a problem on a Chevy S10 and one of the fuses dropped out, it blew, and I couldn't read the OBD2 with my scanner. Well, it just so happens in the Chevy S10, the OBD2 scanner or port is connected with the cigarette lighter. That's crazy, but it's the same thing on the 2003 Ford Expedition. Some things are actually going to use the same fuse, so if that fuse blows, multiple things that you have in the vehicle are not going to run at all because they're no longer receiving power. But hey guys, I want you to check out this headlight and this headlight. See the difference? This one is a lot more clear and this one's yellow. So I want your guys' opinion on a future episode. If you guys want to know what's better on cleaning your headlights, whether it be the plastics by Meguiar's or the multiple step process using 105, 205 plastics and a wax, let me know in the comment section down below. If you want to see it, let me know. If you don't say anything. All right. But do remember that, guys. If you have any questions about any of my videos, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. Also, if you like the video, make sure you smash the like button because that tells me and YouTube that I'm doing a good job and I like making more videos like that because you guys like them. So also, if you want to support the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I always love new subscribers to the channel, and it's just an amazing feeling. So I got 103 right now. We hit 103. Great job, guys. Thank you for all the support. Now let's jump into this fuse box location so we can solve this problem. All right, guys, here we go. Let's travel with me. Okay, we're going over here to the passenger side. I do have my new lights that I ordered in. If you guys see them, I love them. I love them. So, all right, we're going to come down here to the passenger side. You have a kick panel down here. Please don't mind the dirty rug. It is not my vehicle. All right, you got a kick panel down here that's going to guard it just like so. Okay, it's going to be in there. Gonna have it just like that. Well, it's gonna go in the tabs there, and it's gonna be over there. Okay, make sure you get the tabs right. It's very hard to do with one hand. It's amazing. All right, so you're gonna bring this out just like that. Okay, and right behind it you are going to have your fuse cover. Now on here the fuse cover is gonna have all the fuses right here. Let me get it off the dirty floor. All right. Now it says see owner's manual to see the location of all these fuses. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to throw up the owner's manual to show you where all the fuses and relays are actually located and what they actually mean so you know what you're looking for. All right, so here we go.
overall it does look very chaotic down here, but it's really not, guys. As long as you look at the fuse box diagram, okay, and your cover, you are going to know exactly where to look and what you are looking for. And that's just the best feeling. If you're going in there and you don't know what you're looking for, it can feel so stressful. And you get really anxious, and anxiety turns into anger, and that happens with cars a lot. When you get angry, you will break something. I had to get my oldest son off of a car the other day because he was getting very anxious. So when that happens, guys, you just back away from the project you're working on. If it is an electronic piece, usually is because a fuse blew. Okay.
Alright guys, so there you have it. The fuse box location and diagram. But I'm going to throw the fuse box diagram up again. And I'm going to throw up some common problems that you would run across, pointing to the fuses or relays you might need to look for. So check that out. I'm going to put it right now. Okay? Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, my name is Zachary with Sell Those Flipping Cars. If you did like the video and you're looking for more auto DIY videos, then this is the channel for you. I post 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, all at 9 a.m., except this last Friday. It was kind of a channel update. I want you guys to see what's all going on, what episodes we have coming up, so I always love doing those every now and then. Make sure if you're looking for the more auto DIY videos, hit that subscribe button. I know you guys will love it. All my videos, I try to be informative as possible to really help you guys out with the problems that you're having with your vehicles. Also, all my videos have the part that you are using for the video. Like in the future, we have the brakes and rotors coming up on this Ford Expedition, and the rotors and the brakes will be in the in the video description. Those are affiliate links, guys, and the commissions that I make off those go towards the channel on buying new things like my new lights and new microphone and much more things. You know, being a mechanic is very costly, but I love helping you guys out. And there you have it, guys, the 2003 Ford Expedition fuse box location and diagram. Hopefully it really helped you guys out, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. So thank you so much, and until next time, guys, keep on wrenching. Take care, guys.